Hi everyone, this is Prachi Jetli from IUSA Media and we are here at Mall of India in Naperville celebrating the cultural heritage of India. Swadeshi Mela, the Bharatiya Swadeshi Mela is being organized by The Tribals. It's a 4-day event right here at Mall of India parking lot, and the event features over 100 vendors all the way from all the parts of the world, including India as well as US and other parts of the world as well. And there is going to be an exclusive section of the handloom department all the way from India that have joined. So many vendors have joined to participate in this unique concept by The Tribals. The concerts are going to be there. One is going to be with Kailash Khed, Padma Shri Kailash Khed. Other one is going to be with the rockstar band Masala Coffee. And so the event is going to have lots of great food, lots of great vendors, and beautiful musical concerts as well. So let's enjoy this beautiful episode about Bharatiya Swadeshi Mela being organized by The Tribals.
I just want to share what is the vision behind the The Tribal and the Swadeshi Mela. So The Tribal Foundation is hosting Swadeshi Mela. This is the second year. We have vision to host the Swadeshi Mela in multiple locations by next year. So we are already working with Texas and California. So next year we will be hosting Swadeshi Mela in 2 more places. The vision behind the Bharatiya Swadeshi Mela is special sources event to provide the opportunity to Indian vendor, Indian artisan, Indian culture to promote here in the USA, and also giving same opportunity to our local business to participate, to build their network, and also to promote the trade between America and India.
The Swadeshi Mela, which organized in Chicago, it is very, very memorable. The culture and the art of India has been produced here so that the whole world can know how the India is reached by culture, by art. So this efforts made by Ganeshji and Dipaliji and their associates are very, very
Commendable, yes.
commendable.
My dear friends, Ganesh and all the dignitaries present here, Mr. Lalit Goyal, Chairman of HEBC, and all these lovely ladies and gents decked up in the costumes of their own states. So for occasion, when all of you are celebrating the culture and spirit of India far away here in Naperville. So compliments to the organizers. What I just saw was breathtaking. Each one of you did your part excellently. In fact, I don't want to give a speech because it will take away the flavor of this evening. In fact, the flavor has been presented before us. But a few words, since I represent Government of India, Ministry of Textiles, Office of Development Commissioner Handlooms. So the reason why I'm here, and I brought a few handloom exporters here along with Mr. Goyal. The reason why we are participating in this event is that handlooms is a living tradition of India. When you speak about history, you think of old monuments and forts which don't have life. And to the next generation, we are participating in events such as these. Indian handloom sector gives employment to more than 3.5 million people. So it is an important tool of economic empowerment in India. I'm sure you are aware, next to agriculture, textile sector is the largest employment generator in India. So when you are buying something from our handloom weaver, actually the benefit is going to these 3.5 million weavers out there. And it is also not just an economic tool, it is a source of women empowerment, because 70% of this 3.5 million is women. So it is rural empowerment, it is women empowerment, it is empowerment of the marginalized. So handloom sector has so much to present before you. In fact, the variety of weaves, the beauty of the weaves, In fact, Assam, I noticed the person from Assam doing the dance. So Assam is home to the largest number of weavers in India. So the entire northeastern belt, every house has got a loom. Maybe it is a loin loom, it is an old loin loom, or maybe they have progressed to the modern frame loom. But there is so much of history and tradition which is intertwined with the weaving sector in India. And we in the government, we are trying to increase the sales of handloom products. We have an e-commerce portal also, just for the information. It is indiahandmade.com, so if any of you want to purchase, so that is also an option. And we also participate in events like these. We participate in important textile events all over the world, including Hemtex, and many more exhibitions all over the world. So Swadeshi is an experiment of sorts for us, because it's the first time we are entering into
nation. Thank you so much, and beautiful state. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
हिंदी में बात करूं जी?
Absolutely, आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए.
आप लोगों का सबसे पहले तो यहाँ इतना बड़ा आयोजन किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये यूएस में आपने मतलब हैंडलूम के विषय में कार्यक्रम किया और इतने अच्छे स्टॉल्स लगाए हैं, इसके लिए मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ. और हमारे इन सब कलाकार मित्रों ने बड़ा अच्छा ड्रेसेस पहनकर ये हैंडलूम के विषय में किया है कार्यक्रम. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ. और बाकी हैंडलूम के विषय में मैडम ने बहुत कुछ कह ही दिया है, तो उसके लिए मैं और क्या कहना चाहूँगा. तो बहुत अच्छा है, और हैंडलूम के उत्पादों को, प्रोडक्ट्स को यहाँ प्रमोट किया जाना चाहिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, ताकि हैंडलूम के वीवर्स को कार्य मिले वहाँ इंडिया में.
As we come together to celebrate and showcase the rich, diverse heritage of our incredible India.
বিহুতে গলে পাখি কোনো থাকে মজুরিয়া আহতরে রো 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 রতি মনা মনা মতি
ये जन्म ली सीता मैया वाल्मीकि जस वेद रचैया कर्ण महान यही धरती के जाने सब संसार ऐसन आपन हा बिहार ऐसन आपन हा बिहार ऐसन आपन हा बिहार ऐसन आपन हा बिहार
आए हरा नूर के बेड़ा भाई बिन है की भैया डाला नूर के
तारा रंग दे जुए तारी काट रंगलो
तो हरियाणा जी, वेलकम टू हरियाणा जी, आज वेलकम टू हरियाणा जी.
पहली बार 10 बार जा रही हूँ, इतनी बार मना कर लिया मैंने।
Everybody out there. 1, 2.